Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. First, you need to meet specific eligibility criteria. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours over the past 12 months or 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. Your channel must also follow all YouTube monetization policies and community guidelines. To reach these milestones, consistency is key. Create high-quality, original content that resonates with your audience. Engage with your viewers through comments and community posts to build a loyal following. Promoting your videos on social media can also significantly boost your watch hours and subscriber count, helping you meet the requirements faster. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, applying is straightforward. Head over to your YouTube studio, then click on the Earn tab. You'll see an option to apply now if your channel qualifies. Follow the prompts to review and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. You'll also need to link an active AdSense account to receive payments. After submitting your application, YouTube will review your channel to ensure it complies with all monetization policies. This process can take a few weeks. Once approved, you can start monetizing your content and earning revenue. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.